Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to reveal 5 shocking things you must never do to your modern car. Your ride may dazzle with sleek lines, advanced sensors, and smart features that make every journey feel futuristic. Yet beneath that glossy exterior lies a delicate machine that demands meticulous care. Over the next 20 minutes, I'll expose hidden pitfalls that can transform your prized vehicle into a costly disaster, so listen closely and take note. Before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on essential tips that could save you thousands in repairs. Now, let's jump right in and protect your investment. Number 1. Never neglect software updates and diagnostics. Modern cars are as much computers on wheels as they are machines on the road, with sophisticated software governing everything from engine performance to safety features. Ignoring digital alerts or postponing scheduled updates might seem inconsequential, but it can lead to erratic engine behavior, reduced fuel efficiency, or even total system failures. Manufacturers routinely release updates to fix bugs, optimize performance, and bolster safety. When your car requests an update or diagnostic check, it's a vital maintenance step you cannot afford to skip. Regular diagnostics help uncover minor issues before they escalate into major, costly problems, ensuring every sensor and module functions in perfect harmony. By staying current with software, you empower your vehicle's brain to communicate flawlessly with every component, keeping your drive smooth and secure. Number 2. Never use the wrong fluids and fuels. Another critical mistake is using the wrong fluids and fuels in your modern car. Every component, from the engine to the transmission, is engineered to work with specific oils, coolants, brake fluids, and fuels that meet exacting standards. Substituting these with lower quality or incorrect alternatives might seem like a cost-saving shortcut, but it leads to increased friction, overheating, and premature wear on vital parts. For example, using an engine oil with the wrong viscosity forces your engine to labor harder, risking internal damage and degraded performance. Similarly, an improper coolant mix can upset the delicate balance of your thermal management system, while substandard fuel can cause engine knocking and deposit buildup, undermining efficiency. Always consult your owner's manual and invest in high-quality, manufacturer-recommended fluids to ensure reliability, preserve your warranty, and extend your car's lifespan. Number 3. Never tamper with advanced safety and driver assistance systems. Modern vehicles come equipped with cutting-edge safety and driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance that work together to keep you safe. One of the worst things you can do is tamper with or disable these systems, whether to achieve a purer driving experience or to indulge in unauthorized modifications. Disabling these safeguards compromises an intricate network of sensors and cameras that constantly monitor your surroundings and adjust your vehicle's dynamics in real time. Even minor alterations or DIY fixes can throw off critical calibrations, resulting in unpredictable behavior and potentially hazardous driving conditions. Trust the engineers who designed your car's safety features by leaving them intact and ensuring they are maintained and recalibrated professionally when needed. Number 4. Never neglect routine professional maintenance. Even if your modern car appears to run flawlessly, skipping routine professional maintenance is a grave error that can cost you dearly. These vehicles integrate complex systems, from electronic control units to precision mechanical components, that require regular inspections and expert care to function optimally. Routine maintenance isn't just about oil changes and tire rotations. It involves comprehensive checks of sensors, software, and critical hardware to detect issues before they turn catastrophic. Delaying scheduled service can allow minor problems to go unnoticed until they evolve into major, expensive repairs, jeopardizing both safety and performance. Maintaining a documented service history not only preserves your car's reliability but also safeguards your warranty and enhances resale value, so trust the professionals to keep every system finely tuned. Number 5. Never ignore sensor and exterior care. Our final point may seem less technical, yet it is equally crucial. Never ignore the care of your car's sensors and exterior. Modern vehicles rely on an array of delicate sensors, cameras, and specialized finishes that are integral to both safety and aesthetics. Dirt, grime, or even minor scratches on sensor lenses can distort readings, impair driver assistance functions, and trigger false alerts or system malfunctions. Likewise, using harsh cleaning methods or abrasive chemicals can damage protective coatings on your car's finish, leading to corrosion and long-term degradation. Regular, gentle cleaning of sensors, camera lenses, and the exterior not only maintains optimal performance but also preserves the visual appeal of your high-tech ride. Devote a few extra minutes each week to inspect and care for these components, ensuring your vehicle continues to perform at its peak and look its absolute best. Extended insights and final recap. As we approach the end of our deep dive, let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of proper care for your modern car. Every advanced feature, from state-of-the-art software to precision-engineered mechanical components, works in unison to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Neglecting any one aspect, whether it's a missed update or a careless cleaning routine, can disrupt this delicate balance and lead to costly problems. Your car is more than just a means of transportation. It's a sophisticated piece of technology that requires attention, respect, and regular upkeep. By adhering to these guidelines, you not only prolong the life of your vehicle but also ensure a safer, more efficient journey every time you hit the road. Remember, the small steps you take today, like using the correct fluids, honoring scheduled maintenance, and safeguarding your advanced systems, can prevent major issues tomorrow. Think of these practices as essential investments in the reliability and performance of your car. When you maintain your vehicle meticulously, you enhance its longevity, preserve its resale value, and ultimately secure your safety on every drive. This is not just about avoiding repairs. It's about embracing a culture of care that honors the engineering brilliance behind modern automobiles. I urge you to implement these tips and share them with fellow drivers. Let your commitment to excellence inspire others to treat their vehicles with the same respect. Every action counts when it comes to preventing disasters and ensuring that your modern car remains a trusted companion for years to come. Thank you for dedicating your time to learning these crucial lessons. Your proactive approach to car care is the key to enjoying a worry-free, high-performance driving experience. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and never compromise on quality. Together, we can transform the way we care for our vehicles, making every journey safer and more enjoyable. And there you have it, 5 shocking things you must never do to your modern car. I hope these insights help you avoid common pitfalls and keep your high-tech ride performing brilliantly for years to come. Let me know in the comments which of these mistakes surprised you the most, or if you have any additional tips from your own experience. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more expert advice on modern car care. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.